Hi, in our latest bundle, A Haunting We Go, we've included a printable dial element. Now this is a PNG file, so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the print and cut using Silhouette Studio. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is bring in our image. So I'm going to go to File and Open. I'm going to navigate to that folder with the PNG file, and I'm going to open it. You'll see that it has been placed on my mat. The first thing I want to do now is change the width. I want to make sure that that is 2.25 inches wide. So I'm going to make sure the padlock is checked so my proportions stay the same. I have the image highlighted and I'm going to change the width up here to 2.25 and click enter. All right, that has been sized perfectly. The next thing we need to do is set up our software to do a print to cut. So I'm going to move over to the right here to where the media size is. I'm going to change that to 8.5 by 11. I'm also going to go to the third icon up here under page setup, and I'm going to turn my registration marks on as well as the bleed. I'm going to leave the bleed radius the same. I'm not going to change that. I just need to make sure that this radio button is in between all of these hash marks, which it is. At this point, you can go up to the top and do File, Print. You're going to want to go ahead and send this to your printer. So from this screen, I'm going to go ahead and click Print. All right, now that we've printed our document, I'm going to go and click Send. It's going to take us to the Cut panel. All right, so as you can see, Silhouette Studio did do a great job at putting the cut lines on this, so there's nothing else that we need to do except load that printout onto your mat and send it to your machine.